Hey, what's up, YouTube crew? This is Vinicius Matthias speaking, and today I'm bringing you another video here on the VEM Game Droid channel, guys. So, guys, in this video, I'm bringing you all Spider-Man from our user games is back, alright? It's in development right now, and today we're bringing you a video showing how the game is coming along, all the new features, and what's coming next. Another Spider-Man game for Android phones, this time in a project that's getting a sequel, right? For those who don't know, our user games became well known here on the internet, on YouTube, especially during the peak of Spider-Man games and the Spider-Man Far From Home movies. The Our User Games game became really popular, a fan game based on the console Spider-Man games, Marvel's Spider-Man 1 and Marvel's Spider-Man Miles Morales. Unfortunately, this project was put on hold, guys, because it ended up getting some copyright strikes, image rights from Sony and all that. So he kind of chose to pause the project there, and the games ended up having some betas, some updates, but not much was added to the game. Just a few missions, basic missions, a small city, but we could see that the game was really beautiful. The gameplay was really cool, very similar to the console game, adapted for mobile. So this fan game was really successful, these fan games from Air User Games. And now, guys, he's back here with the Spider-Fuse channel, right? This channel has existed since the time of the Marvel Spider-Man fan games. He has already posted 2 updates about the game he's working on here. It will probably change its name, it won't have the Spider-Man skin, but basically it's going to be a Spider-Man game that we'll have here adapted for Android. Alright, guys? So let's take a look here. This is the first video. Development process here, you can see that the skin is different, right? The movement, it got an update, it changed a bit, as you can see. The controls stay the same here. Look, the heads up display remains the same. So it's really cool too. Look, some features were added based on Marvel's Spider-Man 2, right, guys? Look, you can see that there's the super jump here, right? You hold it to jump really high, see? The little bar fills up there and you can jump up onto the building, okay, guys? And here, look, in this part here, if I'm not mistaken, this feature here, where you stick to the web and launch yourself like a slingshot, was added in Marvel's Spider-Man 2, right? Just like gliding too, see? You can glide there kind of flying through the city. This feature, they brought it from Marvel's Spider-Man 2 on console, right? And PC, and adapted it here on Android, guys. I found that quite interesting as well. And look, he added the gliding feature which wasn't in the old fan games. He also added the slingshot feature here, just like in the slingshot, right? And the skin here is pretty standard, okay, guys? This is just an alpha gameplay. It doesn't reflect the quality of the final version, just like it's written here in the video, okay? So it turned out really cool, guys. The game was already good, right? And the web swing has changed here too, as you can see. The movement is different. It's much smoother, a lot more things happening while moving, right, man? So this Spider-Fuse part is really interesting too. And I think the name of this game is going to be Spider-Fuse, huh, man? In the second video, he demonstrates the optimization of the city. So let's check it out here. There's a little warning for us here. Look, you can see it. I translated this text here, this context he put here. It says the following, man. The map shown in this video isn't even considered a demo map. It's simply a base test, repeated layout used to evaluate the performance of our new block-based renderer. This new system significantly increases rendering efficiency, so treat this video as a demonstration of the underlying engine and not of the map itself, okay, guys? So we're gonna check it out here. Basically, he said that this is just a reuse of the map he already had ready from previous versions, right? So it doesn't reflect that in the final version the city will probably be much cooler than this one, okay, guys? Here is the entire development process. Bro, just imagine how cool this is going to be, right, guys? This here is kind of testing the renderer based on blocks, right? He showed it to us here in context and is showing it here in practice, right? And here already with the buildings, guys, check it out. He'll probably make some taller buildings too, right? The city is pretty interesting. Look, there are some trees there too. I think he'll also add more vegetation to the city, right? And here, guys, in this text, it says the following, according to the translation, right? A dedicated tree renderer that only renders trees within the camera's field of view, using GPU instancing for efficient batch rendering. Alright, man. According to this text here, that's basically what it says. It's about the vegetation, man. About the trees, the rendering of the trees, right? Man, and it's looking nicer, right? The asphalt looks better. I think the final map is going to turn out really good, huh, guys? The final map is really going to look awesome, man. Look, you can see it here in the tree rendering. He tweaked the rendering there. It's just in the field of view, okay? And here, look, this is the actual city rendering test, guys. Do you think it has anything to do with tweaking graphics? Do you think he's going to add graphic options there? If I'm not mistaken, there were already some in previous versions, right? I could set the graphics a bit lower. If you have a more powerful phone, then you could set it to high, right? I think there will be these graphic options for you to choose from too, man. If you want rendering with a greater distance, right, you'll probably have all that too, man. This part says the following, man. To reduce the repetitive appearance of buildings, we use a custom dynamic building shader that adds decals and illuminated windows at night randomly based on the position of each building. That's cool, man. That's cool too. Look, I'm telling you, it's gonna be good, man. Look, it's going to be random, you know? The lights on the buildings, it's going to be cool, man. It's going to look nice. You can be sure that the fan games were already beautiful, man. This is going to be much better, okay? If you haven't seen our videos that stood out, right, about the RUZ Games fan game, I'll be leaving them here as a recommendation for you, okay? If you want to watch, they're really cool, and you can be sure that when an update comes out, I'll be bringing it here for you. You can be sure we're going to test it. We're going to do a live stream too, make several videos, so leave it in the comments if you're excited for the new Spider-Man that's coming from our dear RUZER Games, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Deal? I'm wrapping up now. God bless. See you later. I'm out.